Alright, y'all, so we at Firestone picking up the whip, man. Make sure y'all come up here and see them. I'm up here with Mike, man, at Firestone, man. Make sure y'all come see him. He gonna give y'all all the information.
Yeah, come on and see me. I do all kinds of car repairs. We'll give you a great price, nationwide warranty.
Yes, sir. What's the address?
2385 Elizabeth Lake Road, Waterford, Michigan.
Make sure y'all come check them out, man. They put my tire on and like quick, man, quick. So I just was up here, back picking it up. So make sure y'all come see him. So I'm gonna get this paperwork and everything done. I'll catch y'all in a second. Get that start up. Yeah, y'all hear that joint coming out? Yeah. My baby, she back. You feel me? That way. No, I got to. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, there we go. Same tire and everything. All right, thank you, man. Appreciate it. All right, me too. All right, y'all. So you see, we got the Hellcat back, man. Yes, sir. Looking right, P0, Nero, all of that, all the same. Yeah, we good. So y'all already know what we about to do. We going to get a car wash ASAP. You feel me? Get up in this thing. I'll catch y'all in a second. Hold on. Let me get this sensor. Tire flat. Let me see. Gotta go talk to him real quick. Hold on about this tire pressure shit. 1 second. Gotta get this figured out. Motion. Oh, goddamn problem. God damn it.
If the low tire light's on, it'll go off if you drive a mile or two.
Okay, that's
you want to drive it.
Yeah, I was just about to ask you about that. Appreciate that. All right, thanks.
It's a drive and reset on those Chrysler cars.
Okay. All right. All right, appreciate it. Yeah, cuz already knew what was up. He already knew I was about to come back in there and say that. Like, man, what the hell? Fuck going on? So, got my motherfucking whip back, baby. Let's go. You already know I'm about to do a dog ass pull in this bitch. You feel me? I'm about to do a dog ass pull. I ain't had my shit in a minute. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we back, baby. We back in this bitch, you hear me? Slide. Yeah, we back in the motherfucking Hellcat. This bitch back on the road, you know what I'm saying? Listen, when I tell you it ain't nothing like no motherfucking Hellcat, it's nothing like a Hellcat, man. You know what I'm saying? So, if you think about getting one, if you want one, nigga, go get that bitch. You feel me? You know? Go get you one, man. Okay? If you can afford it, you can do all that shit, bro. Go get you one, man. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and grab you a cat, man. Yeah! We back in this bitch. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we back in this motherfucker. We back good. Bro was absolutely right. That light and shit went out as soon as I did it. You know what I'm saying? Pulled off. That bitch went right out. So, you know, we good, man. I keep switching the camera. My bad. We good. Hell yeah. So, we got the cat back, man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do a little something today. So I ain't gonna end this video right now. I'm gonna do a little bit with the POV camera and all of that shit on me. So do a couple pulls so y'all can see all of that, man. So video is not over yet. So stay tuned, man. We just got the Hellcat back. I'm excited, super excited. So I'll catch y'all later, man. See y'all in a second. All right, so we back at it, you know what I'm saying? Had to cut it off for a minute. Video was getting kind of long. But yeah. I don't see no police right here. So, you know, let's hit this shit. Let's put this bitch in where we want to put it in. Drive modes. I think that's the police behind us. For sure the fuck is. We chilling. We gonna let them pass. Oh no, that's not the police behind us. That's a BMW. I thought that was the police, y'all. Niggas got nervous and shit. That nigga doing his thing. But yeah, we in custom. Yeah, I got the traction on street. You know, so we're gonna go back to this so that we can see what the fuck going on. And yeah, I'm about to go ahead and crack it, drop it down to 60, and take off in this motherfucker. Let's go. As soon as it drop to 60, we about to click it. Shit. Oh, yes, sir. God damn. Woo, that shit. Yo. Ain't nothing like a Hellcat, bro. Nothing like a Hellcat. You know, god damn, the police up here thick. I don't know if y'all can see that shit. I can't even show y'all. They up there, though. Damn, something going on. It's bad. I hope everybody's safe, man. I hope everybody all good. Another little pool. Whew. Yeah. That ain't even the top speed though, man. I don't even know what my top speed is in this shit already. Let's see, let's break it down. Vehicle info, we good on that. Performance. My top speed is 136. I think I just cracked like 122 just now. 122. Some shit like that. That motherfucker fast, boy. That shit put a nigga in his motherfucking chair. And so, like I was saying, man, with this shit, bro, it didn't hook like I wanted it to. You know what I'm saying? It still was a little iffy when I pulled, man. It's like I felt the wheel. I don't know if y'all can see it, but the wheel kind of was going left and right. You know, it kind of did like one of these numbers and whatnot. You know, so getting that motherfucker to hook and stay straight, you know, it's tough or whatever. But I ain't gonna say it's tough, but it definitely like it throw you off a little bit. It makes you kind of want to slow down. You know what I'm saying? But once that bitch actually hook and take off, whoo, that's that 60 roll, man. Damn, I hit that big ass hole. Fuck. For y'all don't know who I am and shit, where I'm from, bro. I live in Michigan, man, and right now I'm riding through Detroit. You know what I'm saying? And motherfucking potholes is a bitch out here, man. No cap. Another one. I've been talking about the shit. You know? Another one. Like, Jesus. But this what we do though. We some muscle car driving ass niggas, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, the way this traffic looking, y'all, I feel like this is gonna be it. You know what I'm saying? That little pool was with the two little pools that y'all got was it. Gonna be for this video, man. I can't get shit else, it seems like, so you know, we tried. We tried. Oh, hold on. Before we go, if you haven't hit that subscribe button already, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button and become part of the tribe. You know what I'm saying? Because we got a lot of dope shit going on. You know? So, but yeah, man, stay tuned for more videos and all that shit. Hit that bell so that you know when these videos drop so you don't miss out on nothing. You hear me? So, yeah, I'm Jafari. Peace, love, and positivity. One love, baby. We out.